Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today we are going to start page number 24 and the topic is subtracting more than 5-digit numbers. How we can subtract the number which is consist of more than 5-digit numbers? The question number 1, A part is 63005 minus 46356. Minus. From extreme right side, we will start our subtraction. If you see that the upper digit is smaller and the lower digit is greater, so we will take carry from the previous one. But the previous is 0, so we can take carry. The next previous is also 0, we can take carry. So the next number is 3. We will take carry from this 3, it becomes 2, and this 0 will becomes 10. Now we will take carry from this 10, it becomes 9, and this becomes 10. Once again we will take carry, and this 5 becomes 15. Now 15 minus 6, this is 9. 9 minus 5, this is 4. 9 minus 3, this is 6. Now this is 2 and this is 6. We can subtract. So again we will take carry. This is 5 and it becomes 12. 12 minus 6, this is 6, and 5 minus 4, this is 1. So answer of A part is 16649. C part of this question is 22360 minus 18974. Same process. Again, from the extreme right side, the first digit is 0 and the lower digit is 4. So we will take carry from the previous number. It becomes 5 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 4, this is 6. Now next, 5 and 7. So again take carry. It becomes 2 and 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 7, this is 8. Once again carry. 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 9, 3. Then again carry. 11 minus 8, 3, and 1 minus 1 is 0. E part of this question, 9012 minus 6534. Minus. From extreme right side, this is 2 and this is 4. We will take carry. This one becomes 0 and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 4, this is 8. Now this is 0. We will take carry from this 9, it becomes 8 and 0 becomes 10. Now it becomes 9 and 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 5, 4. 8 minus 6, 2. Last part of this question, F part. 20134 minus 11976. Again, from extreme right side, the first digit is 4 and the lower digit is 6. We will take carry from these 3. 14, 14 minus 6, this is 8. 12 minus 7, 5. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 1, 8. And 1 minus 1, 0. This is for page number 24. I have solved part A, C, E, and D. Two parts I have left for you. You have to solve by yourself. Now moving on page number 25. Some numbers are given. First number is 9, 2, 3, 4, 0. Second number is 9, 0, 4, 5, 0. Then 9, 2, 1, 0, 0. Next number is 2, 0, 4, 8, 0. And the last number is 4, 0, 0, 8, 0. Question number 2. A part is find two numbers with a difference of 240. Difference of 200 and 40. So the numbers 9, 2, 3, 4, 0, and the next number is 9, 2, 1, 0, 0. When we subtract these two numbers, the remainder is 240. 4 minus 0, 4, 3 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 2, 0, 9 minus 9, 0. These are the two numbers which have a difference of 240. Next question is find two numbers which have a difference of 71,000 860. From these numbers, we have to find out the two digits which have a difference of 71,860. The first number is 92340, and the next is 2048 and 0. After subtracting these two numbers, we will get our answer. 0 minus 0, this is 0. 14 minus 8, this is 6. 12 minus 4, this is 8. 1 minus 0, 1. And 9 minus 2, this is 7. So the required answer is 71860 after subtracting the required numbers. C part of this question is find two numbers that have the smallest difference between them. Smallest difference between them. So the first two largest number are those numbers which have the smallest difference, which is 9, 2, 3, 4, 0, and the next one is 9, 2, 1, 0, 0. After subtracting these two numbers, the difference is 240. B part is find two numbers that have the largest difference. So the greatest number and the smallest number, after subtracting these two, will have the greatest difference. 9, 2, 3, 4, 0, 2, 0, 4, 8, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 14 minus 8, 6. 12 minus 8, 4, 8. 1 minus 0, 1. And 9 minus 2 is 7. Now moving on page number 26. A table is given to you in question number 1, page number 26. In this table, 4 different farmers and their cultivation of cotton in 2007 and 2008 is given. Horizontal and vertical at the last, we have to find out the total, means we have to find out the sum of total values. This table will be solved by yourself. I am going to solve part A. B part of this question is, how much more cotton did Tariq produce in 2008 than in 2007? In 2008, Tariq produced, B part, question number 1. Three, 4, 5, 2, 0, and in 2007, Tariq produced 3, 2, 1, 8, 6 kg. Subtracting 10 minus 6, 4, 11 minus 8, 3, 4 minus 1, 3, 4 minus 2, 2, and 3 minus 3 is 0 kg. The difference between production of 2008 and 2007 is 2334 kg. C part is, how much more cotton did Fareed produce than Anis in 2007? The production of Anis is 18215 and production of Fareed is 7138567. So the greater production is of Fareed, so we will be right on upper side 3, 8, 5, 6, 7, and the lower number will be of anise, which is 1, 1, 8 to 1, 5. 1, 8 to 1, 5 minus 7 minus 5, 2, 6 minus 1, 5, 5 minus 2, 3, 8 minus 8, 0, 3 minus 1, 2, 1, 7 kg. B part of this question, what was the difference in the total weight of cotton produced by these 4 farmers between 2007 and 2008? Total production in 2008 is 1, 5, 2, 8, 5, 0, 9, 4, and of 2007 is 4, 4, 1, 2, 8, 2, 7. 4 minus 4, 0, 9 minus 4, 5, 10 minus 1, 9, 4 minus 2, 2, 8 minus 8, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 15 minus 7 is 8. This is page number 26. Now moving on page number 27. The table is given to you in which first one is almonds, then cashew nuts, next chestnuts, then groundnuts, then hazelnuts, and the last one is walnuts. Almonds production is 48916. Next is 37358. Then 24999. Then 65389. Then 5219. And the last one is 62816. A part of question number 2 of page number 27 is write the nuts out in order starting with the greatest weight. The greatest weight is of groundnuts. So this will be the first. Then walnuts. Number 2. Then almonds. Number 3. Then cashew nuts. Number 4. Then chestnuts. number 5, and last is hazelnuts, number 6. This is the order of nuts from greatest to lowest. B part of this question is how many fewer cashew nuts were produced than walnuts. We have to find out the difference between the both values. First one is cashew nuts and then is walnuts. Walnut value is greater, so we will write it at upper side. B part is value of walnuts is 62816 and cashew nuts are 37358. 16 minus 8 is 8. 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 3, 4. 12 minus 7, 5. And 4 minus 3, 1 kg. C part is how many almonds and hazelnuts were produced altogether. So because of altogether we have to add both values. Almonds are 4, 8, 9, 1, 6. Hazelnuts are 5, 2, 1, 9. 6 plus 9, 15. 1 carry, 3. 9 into 11, 14. And last is 5. D part of this question is how many more groundnuts were produced than chestnuts? Groundnuts. The value of groundnuts is 6, 5, 3, 8, 9. And chestnuts are 2, 4, 999. 9 minus 9, 0. 18 minus 9, 9. 12 minus 9, 3. 4 minus 4, 0. 6 minus 2, 4 kg. E part is what is difference between total production of hazelnuts and walnuts. Walnuts are 6, 2, 8, 1, 6 and hazelnuts are 5, 2, 1, 9. 16 minus 9, 7. 10 minus 1, 9. 7 minus 2, 5. 12 minus 5, 7 and 5 as it is. Last part of this question is true or false. The total weight of groundnuts produced is more than the total of the 5 other types of nuts. This means that we have to find out the addition of all other remaining except groundnuts. Now 6 and 8, 14, 14 and 9, 23, 23 and 9, 32, 32 and 6, 38. 3 carry, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 and 2, 20, 2 carry. 9 to 11, 11 and 3, 14, 14 and 9, 23, 23 and 2, 25, 25 and 8, 33. 8 and 3, 11, 11 and 7, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 5, 27, 27 plus 2, 29. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 and 6, 17. So you can see that the total production of all other organs except groundnuts is more than that of their production. So the statement is false. Page number 24. Question 1 on book. Page number 25. Question number 2 on copy. Page 26. Question 1 on book. A part. Question number 1, B, C, D part on copy. Page 27. Question number 2, A part on book. Question number 2, part B, C, D, E, and F on copy. So guys, kindly note down your homework also.